Hi, I'm Arvin Lewis and I sell real estate. Today I am going to show you this lovely modern construction home right inside of Atlanta. Actually, this is a suburb that's right on the border of Atlanta. But we're going to go inside and see what this beautiful modern construction or modern renovation. So basically, a home has been taken down to the stubs and brought to this new and wonderful design. Let's go inside, check it out. Got a lot of traffic, so you'll hear a lot of noise. But once we go inside, that should quiet down a bit. Close that door. It's very open floor plan. We've got the floating staircase there, glass doors, glass French doors. And they've accented the gray with the light brown, and the countertop there has gold veins for the waterfall as opposed to gray veins. So it's just a little bit different because of the accents, but it is lovely. Very open, lots of natural light because there's windows everywhere. This area is the formal living room, formal dining room, kitchen, all inclusive. Let's go and see what this room back here is doing for us. This is the one bedroom on the main level. We've got those great windows there, and it is giving us a shower in this room. So there's your closet there. They haven't yet quite yet put it up. And this freestanding bathtub, lovely tiles. There's kind of a gold hue on the gray. And again, we see the gray veins, sorry, gold veins. Well, it's gray and gold there. Double vanity here. Great window that exposes the backyard. Rain shower head there on the frameless shower. Very nice lighting that they've put in against the tile walls. And right there you see that there is a garage door. Back into the open space. On the ceiling, they've given us more of that natural wood, but the freestanding floating staircase is quite a lovely accent as we take it upstairs to see what they've done for the sleeping quarters. The natural wood against the gray is lovely. And we've seen this wire for the staircase railing a few times. There is the accent that they've given for a light against the glass above the door. So here is one of the secondary bedrooms. We see that there's lots of wall of windows. We've got this hardwood floor all the way through, and it is actually real wood. This loft area can be used for whatever you like. I can see a nice chaise lounge here. Now let's take it down the hall. We've got another room there, wall of windows. And here is one of the secondary bathrooms, or a bathroom for sharing these two rooms. The cabinet, vanity, and a frameless shower again with a rain head, shower head. Our laundry room on the left. And here is, well, let's go here first because this is an upstairs deck. We can call it a roof deck or just a deck. It's a deck that is on the roof line, because you can see the patio or roof line there. Not a fan of the view that we're getting here because, again, this home has been renovated from a previously older home. So we're getting pictures and views of the older neighborhoods or older homes that are in this neighborhood. And then here we have one more bedroom upstairs, and this is kind of a secondary master suite. We have a closet here, which also needs to be finished off. And then we have this bathroom, again, a frameless shower. This is a wonderful window that is just windows, windows, windows all over the place in this home. They give you all the extra light you could possibly use. And then this last treat on this wonderful home in Metro Atlanta, it has a deck. Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo? That comes the length of this bedroom. So if you'd like to put some chairs or just come out and sit and look at the neighbors, you can. I'm Arvelyn Lewis. I sell real estate, and this home is on the market for sale. I'd love to help you.